Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to loop video in Premiere Pro. Here's opened a little video clip in my timeline. And now I'm gonna make a loop video with this clip. This is so easy process to do, just follow me. First copy clip you want to loop, then paste it on the back of the clip. As you can see here, we are getting a total of 2 clips. The first clip will remain as it is. Right click on the second clip and then click on speed duration. Then click on reverse speed. Okay. Now if I play the entire video, then we can see first clip is normal and the second clip is reversed. Now we just need to copy these 2 clips and paste as many times as you want to make the loop bigger. Now you can see our loop video is quite perfect. This is how we can loop video in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video with helpful tricks. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.